Assalamu alaikum, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn phonic sound. Are you ready to learn phonic sound? That's good. Okay, shall I start phonic sounds? Okay, let's begin. Look at there. It's very yummy fruit. It's full of vitamin C. Yes. Which fruit is this? Yes, it's orange, orange, orange. What is the beginning sound of orange? Yes, it's O. Orange. 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 Amazing. Look at there. It has 8 legs. It's a deep sea animal. You know what is this? Yes, it's octopus. Octopus. What is the beginning sound of octopus? Yes. Octopus. 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 Splendid. Look at there. It's a big bird. It's laying a big egg. Yes. So, do you know what is this? Yes, it's ostrich. Ostrich. What is the beginning sound of ostrich? Absolutely right. Ostrich. 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 That's great. Look at there. Which bird is this? This is owl. Yes. It has round eyes. Round and big eyes. Yes. So you know what is the beginning sound of owl? Yes. Owl. Owl. Splendid. Look at there. Which shape is this? Yes, it's oval. Oval. So you know what is the beginning sound of oval? Yes, amazing. It's oval. 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 That's great. Look at there. There's a big sea. Yeah, there's ocean. Ocean. So you know what is the beginning sound of ocean? Yes, absolutely right. Ocean. 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 That's great. Look at there. These are old peoples. Yes. So you know what is the beginning sound of old? Yes. Old. Old. That's nice. You know which comes after awesome? Yes. It's per sound. Per sound. Per sound. Yes, that's great. Did it? Okay, shall I start? So now we know the friends of possum. Yes. Which bird is this? This is parrot. Very colorful parrot. Yes. So you know what is the beginning sound of parrot? Yes, that's good. Parrot. 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 That's great. Look here. Which shape is this? You know? Yes, it's pentagon. Pentagon. Yeah, this just looks like a star. Pentagon. Because pentagon has 5 corners. And the star also has 5 corners. So the beginning sound of pentagon is pa. Yes, pa pentagon. Pa pentagon. Pa pentagon. That's good. Look at there. It's pan. Yes, pan. So what is the beginning sound of pan? Do you know? Yes, pen, pen, pen. So we use pen for writing. Yes, it's helpful for writing. Very good. Pen. That's good. Look at there. This is pumpkin. Yes. So what is the beginning sound of pumpkin? Yes, that's good. Pumpkin. 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 Amazing. Okay, let's think about it. Look around your room and anywhere you are sitting. So just you find out which thing is out with the ha sound. That's good. Puppy. Puppy. Puppies. Very good. Amazing. Panda. 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 Amazing. Super amazing. It's very good. Very good. Potato. 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 Yes, this is the king of vegetable. Yes, it's really yummy and delicious. Yes, that's good. Peacock. 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 It's a beautiful bird. Yes, this is very good. Look at there. It's really yummy and delicious food. You all like it, I know. This is pizza. What is the beginning sound of pizza? Yes, pizza. 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 Superb. Look at there. Which profession is this? Yes, this is policeman. And you know what is the beginning sound of policeman? Yes, that's good. Policeman. 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 That's great. Look at there. Which fruit is this? This is really yummy and delicious fruit. I also like it. This is peach. Yes. You know what is the beginning sound of peach? Yes, good. Peach. 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 Okay, let's sing a song with me. We sing a phonic sound song. Yes, are you ready? Yes, I also ready. Okay, let's start. O is for octopus. O, octopus. Octopus. O is for octopus. O is for oval. 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 Just look like an egg. O is for oval. O is for ocean. 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 R is for ocean. O is for orange. 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 O is for orange. Full of vitamin C. Delicious fruit. A healthy fruit it is. O is for olive. 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 O is for olive. O is for all. O is for all. It's a cute bird. O is for old. Old man. Old. O is for old. Respect them. Okay, let's begin. P is for panda. 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 P is for panda. Cute animal. P is for pineapple. 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 P is for pineapple. Yummy fruit. P is for polar bear. P, polar bear. P is for polar bear. P, polar bear. P is for peach. P, peach. P, peach. P is for peach. P is for penguin. P is for penguin. P, penguin. P is for penguin. P is for peacock. P, peacock. P, peacock. P is for peacock. We did
I
it!
hope you all like it.
Alhamdulillah. We have learned
Inshallah, I will
A
bring you
till
another
12
sound for you
sounds.
next time. Bye
And
bye.
inshallah, I will bring
I
you
hope you all
more
like it.
sounds for you next time. Bye
Inshallah, I
bye.
will bring you another.
Thank you for
Thanks
your
for your
support and
patience. I'm
patience.
so grateful
I'm
for
so
all.
grateful for all of you who like,
Hope you
subscribe,
like
and
it.
share my channel.
Kindly share,
If you
like,
are
and
new
subscribe my
on my
channel.
channel, so
Bye
kindly
bye.
like, subscribe, and share my channel.
Thanks for your
I'm so grateful
patience.
for
I'm
all,
so
and
grateful
thank
for
you for all
all.
of you. Bye bye.
Hope you like